It's tough to decide. Listen, we're going to take him on set piece dominance. Sometimes in a game, you only get the first scrum in the 23rd minute, like the case was All Blacks. The previous game, the Welsh played against the All Blacks. Only in the 23rd minute that there was a scrum. So you can plan around trying to have scrum dominance. Maybe you get a line out here and there. But apart from that, if the game goes away from you and you don't get into those physical battles, then you have to handle them in other areas as well. The team selection was, I don't think we planned the beginning of the year that we're going to go 7-1 against them. It's actually the only guys available after discussing with our franchises. This is almost forced on us. Player 24 is Dukes Chunu, and player 25, we always appointed player 24 and 25, and 25 is Dwayne Vermeulen. So we actually, one injury and Dukes is in, another injury and Dwayne is in, so that's the chance we were willing to take for our franchises and for them to have a proper start in the URC. But yeah, I think if you look at it, you look like one who dominate with the back forwards, but our hand was a bit forced with this.